Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on GNS, which is Genius Group. So obviously it did do its big move a while back now. Since then it has been a bit more volatile, definitely a lot more volume in the stock, but overall kind of did that move and it's just struggling to really break through there. So what are going to be key support and resistances going further? So as of right now, again, we're kind of retesting this $5, seeing if we can hold it. But really the key supports of what I'd be paying attention to is around 411 to 469. Now these are our first deviations on both the 6 month and the 1 year, the 6 month being on the left chart, 1 year being on the right chart. And really, yeah, this is where we really expect a breakthrough, come back to retest as a support. If it can hold, then obviously when we expect to move to those next deviations. But really, considering we came back to kind of retest it before, broke that or retested that deviation and starting to pull back, it's showing more weak than it is strong. So really it's just coming into this level, can we hold it? If not, which as of right now kind of looks a bit weaker, expect to break through, and then we have a target of around $2. Really coming down to $2, that's really where I wouldn't be looking to touch it past here. Reason for that is if you've been watching this channel before, you know how standard deviation works. This is our statistical mean. Between the areas of $2.64, this is our statistical mean, and basically statistical mean it basically just means fair value. So trading from a technical only perspective in that range, there is really no edge or no trading edge in that area, so it's why I never look to trade it. So it can be used as a target, but usually not somewhere I would be looking to open a position. So really those are the key supports I'm paying attention to. Really it's at 411. Again, depending on your trading style, you may want to be catching it short if we can break and hold through the 411 to around $2. But really I prefer if it's these kind of stocks where you know they're a bit more hype based, that they tend to squeeze a bit more. I tend to only trade them short bias, but more when they're out of trend. So by that I mean if we were to break higher, we do have resistances at 740, but considering we've hit these now twice, I'm not looking to trade that. Instead I'd be waiting for that breakthrough to around $10 to around $11. And the first time we hit these, this is where I'd be looking at it a lot more short bias, and yeah, really just looking to short the stock from there. 1280 will be that next target, and 1430 will be those final targets. So those are the key levels. We can see over on GNS as well, there is options, which does make the stock a lot more attractive to trade, because if you want to short this again, like especially coming into those levels we were talking about, you know, kind of the 1010 and above, these are levels where I'd be looking to short. Now usually if these small caps don't have options, they're only a day trading opportunity to me. But considering this has options, it means I can trade it in different ways, but it means I can also swing trade it, because obviously we can hedge risk, we can define risk, which I don't like. That's why I don't like shorting most small caps overnight, because again there is essentially unlimited risk if there's no option to hedge the upside move. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on GNS. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.